As our lifestyle becomes more affluent, waste generation has also increased. Landfill is the predominant method of waste disposal in Malaysia. The challenge is to develop socio-economically viable and environmentally friendly waste management facilities. In this context, the Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill sets the benchmark, being the premier sanitary landfill in Malaysia and in the region. The Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is developed by KBEnviro Sdn Bhd, a joint venture company established between KUB Malaysia Berhad and Berjaya Corporation Berhad, two conglomerates listed on the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange. Premised on an agreement with the Government of Malaysia, Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is supervised by the Ministry of Urban Wellbeing, Housing and Local Government. Located 50 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur, the Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is accessible from the North-South Expressway via a purpose-built interchange and the new 9-kilometer dual two-lane carriageway access road with full street lighting built to Malaysia Highway Authority and JKR standards. The Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill has ideal characteristics. One key feature is its location away from an urban environment. The site is in the middle of an oil palm estate, far from established townships and housing developments. A large buffer zone ensures developments are at least 500 meters away from the landfill. Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is the first landfill in Malaysia to provide a full-fledged buffer zone. Bukit Taga's approximate capacity of 120 million metric tons is capable of handling waste generated in Kuala Lumpur and Selangor for at least 60 years. The Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill commenced operations on April 1, 2005. Apart from employing modern technology, Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill gives utmost priority in maintaining the integrity of the environment. The landfill conforms to the requirements of the Department of Environment, particularly the conditions of the approved Detailed Environmental Impact Assessment report. The Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is designed as a Level 4 sanitary landfill based on US EPA standards. Level 4 is the highest standard achievable and ensures maximum protection to the environment. The base of the landfill faces are compartmentalized into various cells to achieve optimum storm water control to minimize leachate production. The cells are progressively filled until they reach full capacity. The landfill cells have a multi-layer base liner to prevent any leachate from infiltrating into the ground. An integrated leachate collection system collects leachate from the liner into a chamber to be conveyed to the leachate treatment plant. A canvas sheet covers exposed surfaces of the base liner membrane to prevent rainwater infiltration into the leachate collection system. Selected trees like neem and eucalyptus are planted around the site to promote a greener and pleasant environment. To maintain integrity of the environment and reflect its standing as a world-class sanitary landfill, a comprehensive landfill gas management system is in place at Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill to manage and treat landfill gas. This involves treating and managing landfill gas by way of flaring and generating green energy from its 4.4 megawatt gas engines fueled by methane produced by solid waste treated in the landfill. Green energy produced through the 4.4 megawatt gas engines is supplied to the national grid via Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB) under the feed-in tariff scheme. Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill has the distinction of operating the largest grid-connected biogas renewable energy facility under the feed-in tariff program in Malaysia. The landfill gas management system at Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is a self-initiated effort. The standards implemented far exceed the requirements imposed by the Department of Environment. Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is also participating in the Clean Development Mechanism under the Kyoto Protocol. The Clean Development Mechanism, or CDM, is an arrangement supervised by the United Nations, where projects in both developed and developing countries commit to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Bukit Taga is recorded as having the most certified emission reduction carbon credits issued for a landfill project in Southeast Asia under the CDM scheme. The Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is managed by a team of highly trained professionals. Daily operations are organized and executed efficiently for optimum results. A smart card system improves traffic efficiency and ensures accuracy in recording the loads of all trucks. Waste is disposed at designated tipping platforms. Specialized compactors compact the waste for maximum airspace capacity. Earth is transported daily from the stockpile to be applied on the compacted waste to reduce odor and maintain hygiene. The earth cover is subsequently compacted to prevent infiltration of storm water into the cell. Once the cell reaches full capacity, a green high-density polyethylene liner is applied over the final compacted earth layer to optimize methane gas extraction and to completely shield the cell from rainwater. Any excess leachate in the truck is discharged at the leachate chamber before the truck is cleaned at the wash trowel. The water bowser cleans the road to prevent dust pollution. The leachate management and treatment system at Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is the most advanced in the region. A world-class fully automated facility, the leachate treatment plant operates via the SCADA computer system. Leachate is collected through a collection system to prevent infiltration into the ground. To avoid storm water from mixing with leachate, an extensive stormwater drainage system diverts stormwater from the cell to the stormwater detention pond. Leachate is conveyed to fully lined holding ponds before it's transferred to the leachate treatment plant for treatment. At the treatment plant, leachate is dispensed into 4 sequential batch reactor lagoons at regular intervals, where it's biologically treated for 24 hours before being placed in the dissolved air flotation tank to expel all residual suspended solids and colloidal particles. The filter press system ensures maximum dewatering is achieved before the dry sludge is subsequently discharged at the landfill. Treated leachate is directed to the reed beds for final polishing. The Phragmites plants absorb residue in the treated leachate to further improve its quality. Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill is the first and only landfill in the region to employ this process. At this stage, the treated leachate has achieved standards allowing discharge into open water courses. However, Bukit Taga Sanitary Landfill employs a zero discharge policy. Instead of discharging treated leachate into open water courses, it is irrigated into a large field by an extensive sprinkling system. This offers optimum protection to the environment. Daily tests are carried out on the treated effluent to ensure higher standards are achieved. Regular maintenance results in optimum performance at all times. The landfill is equipped with an emergency response system and leachate containment bund to prevent accidental leachate breakout from escaping into open water courses. A continuous river flow monitoring system is also installed at the main water course. This helps prevent effluent from entering the river system. The advent of the Bukit Tagah Sanitary Landfill is an endorsement of the Government of Malaysia's commitment to modernizing solid waste management. KBEnviro developed the Bukit Tagah Sanitary Landfill to achieve world-class standards in operations and maintenance, as shown in the provision of the top-notch leachate treatment plant, landfill gas management system, and attendant infrastructure such as the dedicated trumpet interchange at the North-South Expressway. The reed beds and zero discharge practices are also unique to Bukit Tagah. Bukit Tagah Sanitary Landfill has attained the DFS Singapore Environmental Achievement Award Regional 2013. The CDL Outstanding Singapore Environmental Achievement Award Regional 2013. The ASEAN Energy Award 2012 on Grid Renewable Energy category. The Gold Award of Special Merit for Environmental Engineering by the Association of Consulting Engineers Malaysia. The Engineering Excellence Award by the Institute of Engineers Malaysia. And the ASEAN Outstanding Engineering Achievement Project Award 2008 by the ASEAN Federation of Engineering Organizations. These achievements underlie KBEnviro's aspiration to be a major provider of solid waste management solutions with due consideration to environmental protection. KBEnviro's success in designing, developing and operating the Bukit Tagah Sanitary Landfill as the premier sanitary landfill in the region places it in good stead to achieve this goal. Let us share our experience with you.